A fixer-upper looks cheaper on paper until the surprises start rolling in. So before you fall for a project house, let me give you 5 honest reasons most buyers end up choosing move-in ready homes instead. I'm Devin with Homestead Road. We renovate homes and sell them move-in ready. So yes, I'm a little bit biased, but I'm going to be straight with you, including where a fixer-upper actually makes sense. So let's get into it. Reason 1 is predictable costs. With a fixer-upper, your budget's a guess. You don't really know what's behind the walls until you're in it. With a move-in ready home, the price is the price. What you see is what you pay, and you can plan your life around a number that you can trust. Reason 2, it's move in now. You move in after you close. A renovation can take months, sometimes a year, and that's months of paying for a place that you can't fully live in. Move-in ready means the day you close, you're coming home. No contractors, no dust, and no more waiting. Reason 3, lower maintenance. In those early years, when the roof, the systems, and the appliances have all been updated, you're not bracing for a big repair right after buy. That peace of mind is worth a lot, and that's easy to overlook when you're comparing sticker prices. Reason 4, it's simply less stress. Managing a renovation is a second job. Permits, contractors, decisions, and delays. If you've never done it, it's a lot. Move-in ready hands you the finished result without the headaches, which is exactly why it's so popular with first-time and very busy buyers. And reason 5, the honest one, fixer-uppers can be great if you've got the time, the budget cushion, and you want to customize every detail, but most people just want a beautiful home that's ready to go. That's what we do. We take the risk and the work off your plate and hand you a home that's already done right. So move-in ready sounds like your kind of simple come home what you've got. Tap the link to browse our latest homes and subscribe so you can catch the new ones first. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting.